Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Megha Chopra and today I did Sangeet makeup tutorial with pink and glitter eyeshadow. So if you want to know that how I got this look, then please keep on watching.
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm reading.
Okay guys, so I've already done my brows off camera, and for concealing my eyelids I'm using Darling Isabella concealer. And please don't mind my hair, I was not well. Okay, here I'm just blending the product to create a clean canvas to work with. Okay, so सबसे पहले I'm going to use a transition color, and that color from Makeup Revolution Reloaded palette. Using a fluffy brush, I'm just gonna place it on my crease. Just do it with very light hand. इससे आपका eye makeup बहुत blended लगता है. You should keep building it up till you get your desired color. Okay, so now I'm taking a dome shaped brush and using a pink color from SFR Duo Blush palette. I'm just gonna place it below my transition color. Just placing it. And now I'm just blending it like with light hand. I'm just blending it and also building it up. ओके सो मैं बहुत एक एंगल ब्रश ले रही हूँ फ्लफ़ी सा, एंड आई एम जस्ट डिफ्यूजिंग द कलर्स. जो मेरा ट्रांजिशन कलर था एंड जो पिंक कलर था, आई एम जस्ट मिक्सिंग इट ऑल ताकि स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट एंड एंडिंग पॉइंट पता ना चले. I am now taking Swiss Beauty glitter eyeshadow, and it is the star of our look. It's in the shade Earthly Bronze, and I am not directly applying it with the applicator. I will just place it on my hand and just dab it and then place it on my lids with the help of my finger. If you want a very light subtle look, आपको बहुत harsh नहीं चाहिए, then use it. Here I am using a Maybelline mascara hyper curl one. It's really good. अगर आपको false eyelashes नहीं लगानी है तो you can totally skip it. कुछ necessary नहीं है. Go with your comfort. Okay, so now here I'm applying false eyelashes, and now after that I'm using a Lakme Insta eyeliner and did my wing liner. It was the biggest mistake because it went wrong on the other eye and I had to do it again. Yes, but it gave a very good look, definitely. Okay, so now coming to face makeup, I am using a toner. It's very necessary to prep your skin. If you're doing heavy makeup, prep it like anything, like very much prep it. And now I'm using a moisturizer. It's the Pond's one. It's really good moisturizer. Just moisturize your skin really well ताकि आपका makeup दिखे भी अच्छा. I'm just moisturizing and just seeking it in my skin, and afterwards I'm gonna use a gel as a primer. It's the Good Vibes honey gel, and now I'm using it as a primer, and also it made my skin so smooth. I don't know how it does it, but it does. It made my skin really smooth. Okay, so now for foundation, I'm using Wet n Wild foundation in the shade Golden Beige. It is damn full coverage foundation. It's really good and also under a budget. So yeah, and now I'm just dabbing it with a beauty blender to give a finished look. You can also use brush, but I prefer beauty blender, and that's a personal choice. Okay, so now for concealer, I'm using the same Darling Isabella concealer, hiding my dark circle and also giving a shape to my eye makeup like that, and also just apply it on the basic areas like bridge of the nose, forehead and chin, and just blending it. Okay, so now setting for my base, I'm using a sapphire loose powder and I'm not baking. I'm just swirling my brush around it and just dabbing it all over my face. Okay, so now for bronzing, I'm using this dark brown shade from Makeup Revolution palette. And now, what is the difference between bronzer and contour? Basically, the main difference is bronzer जो होते हैं वो warm tone में होते हैं and contour जो होते हैं वो cool tone में होते हैं. Bronzer आपको एक shadow, एक depth, आपकी जो dimension होती है वो define करने के लिए काम आते हैं and contour आपके face को chisel दिखाने के लिए काम आते हैं. Okay, so now for blush, I'm using that same pink shade and applying very little blush because our eyes are talking. So yeah, I'm applying a really little brush. यहाँ पे मैं स्विस ब्यूटी का सेम ग्लिटर आई शेडो ले रही हूँ लिक्विड वाला एंड यूजिंग इट ऑन माई इनर कॉर्नर्स टू जस्ट गिव अ फिनिश्ड लुक. Okay, so now for lip sync, I'm using the LA18 lip color in the shade Pink Kiss, I guess. And यहाँ पे what I'm doing is I'm just aligning my lips with the lip liner. Same lipstick को use करके पहले मैं line करूँगी, then मैं fill करूँगी. ओके सो अब मुझे बहुत डार्क लग रहा था सो आई एम जस्ट डैबिंग इट ऑफ टिश्यू में थोड़ा ब्लॉट करके आई एम जस्ट डूइंग इट. ओके सो नाउ फॉर हाईलाइटर आई एम यूजिंग माय फेवरेट ऑल टाइम फेवरेट वेट एंड वाइल्ड हाईलाइटर. आई मतलब दिस हाईलाइटर इज़ मेड फॉर शादी वाला सीजन आई गेस. सो इट लाइक just see the glow it will give on my nose. Like see, the tip is shining as and nobody's business, like literally. Okay, so now मैं सेम डोम शेप ब्रश ले रही हूँ, कोई एक्स्ट्रा प्रोडक्ट नहीं ले रही और उसको अपनी लोअर लैश लाइन में स्मोक कर रही हूँ. एंड प्लीज़ इग्नोर द फेसेस आई कीप मेकिंग while applying my makeup. Okay, so now I'm just dabbing it all over my face ताकि सब कुछ मेल्ट हो जाए. Okay, so this is the final look. I hope that you all liked it, and if you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also follow me on Instagram. My handle is megachopra06, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay safe and take good care of yourself. Bye.